How to fix screen won't turn on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, video, document, contact will be delete or erase or reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix screen won't turn on in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.